Hello students, welcome to our English class. From last video we completed the lesson number 4.4, a mad tea party. In last video we completed lesson's name is a mad tea party. Now let us start our next poem 4.5, if I can stop one heart from breaking. The name of our next poem number 4.5 is if I Can Stop One Heart from Breaking. Is a beautiful poem. This poem is written by Emily Dickinson. This is a short but beautiful poem. In this poem, Emily Dickinson explains the emotions of human lives. Emily Dickinson was a beautiful American poetess. She born 10 December 1813 in US and he died 15 May 1886. The full name of Emily Dickinson was Emily Elizabeth Dickinson. She died due to the kidney disease. She was American poet. She never married. Emily and her sister Lavinia started together the Amherst Academy in US. Here student, a beautiful poetess, write a beautiful and short poem. The name of our poem is If I Can Stop One Heart from Breaking. The name of our poem is very long, but poem is very short. In this poem, poet wants to reduce pain and sorrow in lives of human beings and the animals. Emily Dickinson also wants to help the weak and unhappy people. Here now let us start our poem. First we read. The name of our poem is If I Can Stop One Heart from Breaking dash dash dash. Now let us start reading. If I can stop one heart from breaking, I shall not live in vain. If I can ease one life, the aching, or cool one pain, or help one fainting robin unto his nest again, I shall not live in vain. Written by Emily Dickinson. Is a beautiful American poetess. In this poet student, this is a short but beautiful poem. Meaning is very meaningful. This poem is very meaningful. Poet says that if she can stop one heart from breaking. Listen student here. Poet Emily Dickinson says that if she can stop one heart from breaking, she will feel that her life was been worthwhile. His life has been worthwhile. Worthwhile means satisfied in her life. If she can reduce the sorrow in one person's life, reduce means decrease. If she can reduce the sorrow in one person's life or reduce one person's pain or help one weak robin back into his nest, she will feel that her life has been successful. Here student, last two line, unto his nest again I shall not live in vain. She will feel that her life has been successful. Not life in vain means successful. Her life was not successful. Here student, first line, if I can stop one heart from breaking. This is in this poem, poet says that if she can stop one heart from breaking, she is successful to stop one heart from breaking. I shall not live in vain. She feel that her life has been worthwhile, not satisfied. If she can stop one heart from breaking, I shall not live in vain. If I can ease one life for aching means pain, or cool one pain, unhappiness, pain means unhappiness, sorrow, or help one fainting robin a bird, unto his nest again, or help one fainting robin, fainting means weak. I shall not live in vain. In vain means without any success. In vain means without any success. I can easy one life the itching means I can reduce the sorrow of someone's life. And then next, or cool one pain. Cool one pain means reduce someone's pain. Here student, last two line, unto his nest again. Unto means to. To his nest again, I shall not live in vain. Here student, poet wants to reduce pain and sorrow in the lives of human beings and animals also. Emily Dickinson also wants to help the weak and unhappy persons. In this way is a beautiful and short poem written by Emily Dickinson.